Yes, students, today I am here by taking the concept of system radian. Radian, you know that there are two types of measurements where we find the angles. First one is degree, second one is radian. This is new concept for class plus 1. Pi means you have to convert into radian, where pi is equal to 180 degree. Pi means 180 degree. So if I will divide it by 2, so it will become 90. If I multiply with 2, then you will get 360, means you can change with anyone. This is a standard result. Pi is equal to 180. Now I am telling about this quadrant system. You know if complete angle is of 360 and it is divided equally into 4 parts: 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. And now in radian system I am writing 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So in first quadrant, all t ratio means trigonometry ratio, will be positive. In second quadrant, you will see anti-clockwise, and in second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant both will be positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot both will be positive. In fourth, cos and secant will be positive. Easy to remember. One trick is here. ASTC. ASTC. All school to college या all sugar to coffee. To learn it. All school to college, all sugar to coffee. S means sine, T means tan, C means cos, but it's converses with them also. All means all T ratios are positive. And one thing more, whenever we will see pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, they will not change. They will remain same. But pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 like this in manner, then they will change. In class 10th, you know, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. And with the converse, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. I think up to yet you are getting, but main motive is this: if any degree, if I am saying ki sine 65 degree is here, then in which quadrant it is lying? It is lying in first quadrant. So what? Whenever you say ki you have 135, then according to your measurement you can say it is coming in second quadrant. Second quadrant means you can say sine 180 minus what I do, so it will become 135, 45. I can write it sine 180 minus 45. So sine 180 minus theta, you know कि sine in second quadrant will be what? Positive. So sine and sine will not be changed because 180, 360, 540 like means table of 180 will not change. So it will remain sine, and sine 180 minus theta is sin theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sin theta. If you know the value of sine 45, you can write 1 by root 2. Always you have to break in this manner, because some values you know, 0 value you know, 30 you know, 45 value, 60 and 90. With the help of these values you can find the other values also. Yes, next one is, suppose if you have 235, then how you will do? So you will see कि this is coming in which quadrant? This is coming in this 180 to 270. So I will break it in this quadrant, pi plus 30, pi plus theta, pi plus theta. Pi means 180 plus theta. Theta what I say, what I add to make it 235. Yes, yes, 55. So sine 180 plus 55. So you can say sine will not change, sine will remain same, and 55 will also remain same, but it will take negative sign. Why? Because in third quadrant sign is negative, so that's why we are taking negative sign with it. Only tan and cot are positive. If any quadrant is according to that is positive only. So if any other t ratio is coming in, then it will take negative sign with it. So I hope you are getting what I want to say. So try to understand, then you can easily understand the chapter 5th also.